Hello, rail fans. Welcome to French Fried Trains. It's Sunday, November 17th, 2019. While coming back into town after doing some errands, we noticed that the signal was set up for a train to come, so we pulled in and stopped to wait. I didn't wait long before the first train arrived. A single AC-44CW pulls this southbound tanker train. The lack of a buffer car between the locomotive and the train here indicates that whatever this train's carrying, it's not flammable. And that was a pretty quick tanker train. I was ready to head back home after that, but the signal went lunar. I was in luck. About 15 minutes later, and the next southbound was here. And a great little horn show from the engineer there on this 4-locomotive train. With an ES-44DC leading, a pair of AC-44CWs in the old YN2 paint scheme, and a Jeep 40-2. Awesome catch. And the shortness of this train shows us that all those locomotives were part of a power move and not actually needed. And once again, I was planning on going home. Because remember, I didn't actually come out to Railfan, we just happened to catch it. But the signal went lunar again, there was another southbound coming. 15 minutes later, and here he is. And this guy gives us a nice horn salute as well, as a single ES-44ACH leads this southbound intermodal train. This guy also has a second locomotive running distributed power. And with all traffic heading southbound that day, and evenly spaced out, all the trains were just cruising along. There goes the distributed power, another ES-44ACH. And he's out of there. And after that, I finally went home. No more trains were coming. But all in all, 3 in a row was a nice catch for an unexpected rail fanning time. The next weekend I came out to a green signal. What awesome luck. I waited 10-15 minutes and he was here. A single AC-44 CW pulls this train, and in the Y&2 paint scheme. And another really short train. Seems to be the theme of this video. Now it's another day with another train. A quick horn salute as an ET-44AH leads this southbound train into the siding. This is K-182, loaded iron ore. And with a heavy loaded train like this, you just had to know he has another locomotive running distributed power. And there's that other locomotive, another ET-44AH. There were more trains after this that day, but I'm going to save that for my next video. The timing just worked out weird for the footage I already had for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great day. Stay tuned, rail fans.